I welcome the One Ocean Conference held in Hong Kong. The event is jointly organized by the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology and the Council General of France. This high-level conference brings together speakers from academia, business community, and civil society to discuss the future of our oceans. Hong Kong is a harbor city. We deeply appreciate the importance of the ocean. However, globally, the ocean is threatened by various pressures. For example, the effects of climate change, overfishing, and various forms of pollution, including the growing white pollution caused by plastics. Today, I share with you what we are doing to protect the marine environment. Firstly, investing in climate actions. In response to the Paris Agreement, Hong Kong has been working actively on climate actions. In 2020, Hong Kong made a pledge to achieve carbon neutrality before 2050. In 2021, we further updated Hong Kong's climate action plan, which included the announcement of first ever climate budget. In the next 15 to 20 years, the government will devote about Hong Kong dollars 240 billion, i.e. about 30 billion euros, to take forward various measures on climate mitigation and adaptation. Private enterprises are also expected to invest heavily in decarbonization. Meanwhile, the government will accelerate the development of green bonds and other green and sustainable financial products in Hong Kong. The first ever government retail green bond is a recent example. As an international financial center, Hong Kong has the capability and the inherent advantages to meet the enormous demand for financing by developing itself into a green hub in the region and serves as a premier financing platform for green enterprises, as well as green and blue projects in Hong Kong and the region. Second, conserving marine biodiversity. We published the Hong Kong Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan (BSAP) and will continue to conserve the terrestrial and marine habitats, which have remarkably rich biodiversity, with a view to conserving the invaluable local biodiversity, maintaining sustainable development, and promoting public awareness of nature conservation. We have taken various initiatives to protect Hong Kong's precious marine ecology. For instance, in 2021, we expanded the Sum 1 restricted area at Landmark Island and extended its restriction period for enhanced protection of green turtles. Throughout the years, we've also established 6 marine parks and 1 marine reserve to protect marine species and ecology, including the destination of the Brothers Marine Park and the Southwest Lantau Marine Park in 2016 and 2020 respectively. Moving forward, we will complete the destination of the proposed South Lantau Marine Park and North Lantau Marine Park in 2022 and 2024 respectively, which will double the total protected marine area in Hong Kong. Third, reducing single-use plastics. Last year, the government launched a series of public consultation and engagement on regulating various single-use plastics, including plastic beverage bottles, disposable plastic tablewares, plastic shopping bags, and other disposable plastic items, which collectively lay the foundation for us to formulate a comprehensive strategy to manage the white pollution at source. The government plans to trigger the relevant legislative processes starting this year. We also launched the Bye Bye Microbeads Charter, as some of the personal care and cosmetic products may contain plastic microbeads, which are intentionally added for scrubbing and cleansing purposes. The charter can help eliminate the potential risk of microbeads to the ocean and create and sustain a microbead-free culture in Hong Kong. Public education and publicity are also very important. For example, we stepped up the coastal cleanup activities. Volunteers are welcome to join. Through cleaning up shore lines, the public would be able to witness the threat of white pollution. Hopefully, they would change their lifestyle and go for reducing single-use plastics in their daily living. I wish key stakeholders like HKUST and French companies and restaurants in Hong Kong would support and take the lead in the plastic-free culture for protecting the environment, including the ocean. Last but not least, we appreciate the importance of science and technology, which can help us to tackle the challenge of climate change, water quality, and plastic waste, etc. In 2020, the government set up the Green Tech Fund, which supports R&D projects on green and relevant blue projects. Priority will be given to projects in some selected areas, including decarbonization, waste management, and water quality. Apart from the designated local public research institutes and R&D centers, companies in Hong Kong are welcome to join. Let's work together to protect our planet. Thank you.